Hi guys! Welcome back to Olivia's channel, and now you're back with me, myself, theodora Olivia. So today's video I'm gonna talk about one extremely cute palette, and that is ta-da! So this is the Brunch Date eyeshadow palette. This is the ColourPop x Zoella collaboration palette, and you see what I mean by this is cute. Okay, so let's just cut to the chase. So I'm gonna review this palette, and also I'm gonna give you guys a demo using this palette. So if you guys are wondering and want to know more about this palette, stay tuned, keep on watching. So now I'm gonna do my eye makeup first in case of fallouts, and then I'm gonna continue with my face later on after I'm done with my eye look. So let's start. So I'm gonna take the maple syrup. It's a bit dusty. I'm gonna take mimosa. This is very easy to blend, and also it's pigmented. I like how these colors looks like. Now I'm gonna take French toast. French toast is like burgundy brownish kind of color, and I love this color. So far I got no problems with the three mattes that I used. This extra slice, and I like this color because this is matte but it has glitters in it. But you'll see what I mean when I swatch it. Now I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna take the Brunch Club. This blue Brunch Club color is more powdery than the rest of the mattes, and I think the color is a bit disappointing. The pigments is not as good as the others, and I find patchiness, as you guys can see there. And now I'm trying it with a wet brush. Okay, it's better. The pigmentation is better, but it's way better. Something just seems off with this blue color. No, I'm not feeling it. I'm gonna be applying the Sunday Funday with wet brush. And now let's just blend that blue. Well, so far the fallout dikit sih. So now I'm gonna put on the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back to you because I'm gonna do my makeup out of camera. I almost forgot. I'm gonna use the champagne toast on my tear ducts and also on my brow bone. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. I'm done with the makeup. How do you like it, guys? Because you know, I really don't know what I'm doing with the eyeshadow actually. Okay, so let's start talking about this. Actually, I have to say to you guys that this isn't my first time using this palette. I used this for a couple of times. Well, it's not just a couple of times. It's actually, I've been using this many times because ini tuh paletnya nyampe udah sekitar about 2 weeks. So this won't be my first impression video, and actually ini paletnya juga udah looks a bit dirty. It doesn't look like a new palette at all karena udah dipakai berkali-kali. So okay, let's start. This is how the palette looks like. This is the outer box of this palette. This is you see, this is like a waffle with strawberries and then blueberries. Yeah, it's so cute. Oh my god. See, this is Brunch Date Zoella x ColourPop. Actually, there are other products in this collection, such as kalau nggak salah itu ada blush on, and then the liquid lipstick is Supernova eyeshadow, but the one that really attracts my eyes is this palette, so I only bought this. And then at the back of the box ini tuh ada the name of the shades. Jadi terus juga nama-nama dari eyeshadow ini tuh kayak brunch menu gitu loh. Champagne toast, sunny side up, cinnamon sugar, skinny latte, French toast, mimosa, stuff like that, which is the name are very cute. Okay, so and also ColourPop is cruelty free. That's what I really love about this ColourPop. Let's jump into the inside. Ta-da! Oh my god, I love this. I love the shape of the eyeshadow. This is how the palette looks like. Here there's writing Brunch Date, and then Zoella x ColourPop. There's fried egg, strawberries with heart shape. Then this is waffle, pancakes. You know, this palette actually makes me hungry. This is all the colors. It got 6 matte and 6 shimmer, but this one matte here, this is the extra size. This is different from the rest of the shimmer. Why? Because ini tuh dia ada glitternya gitu loh. So it's matte but it got glitters in it, but it's not shimmer. You get what I mean? And then it has mirror, and this is a good quality of mirror because you can really see your reflection clearly. Kayak bener-bener kaca gitu. The reason why I bought this, besides it's cute, is because of this color. This really caught my eyes. Okay, so before I tell you guys about the colors, about the shimmers, about the mattes, whether it's good or not, I'm gonna do the swatches first. So here it is. So this is the swatches of the first row. Champagne toast, pancake please, French toast, skinny latte, cinnamon sugar, and mimosa. And then for the second row you have maple syrup, Sunday fun day, sunny side up, Americano, brunch club, and extra slice. So that's it for the swatches. Overall buat shadesnya itu blendable banget, very easy to blend and then pigmented. But some of the colors, some of the matte colors are like patchy. I actually is really disappointed with this blue color, this brunch club, because in my opinion, like you can see before, when I apply it, it's a bit hard to build it up. I'm so sad because I actually had high expectation of this brunch club color, this vibrant blue color, because this is actually really pretty, but I don't know why. It's just, it feels different with the rest of the mates. Buat falloutnya sih, I guess the fallout is okay. Dia nggak ada fallout, gak ada yang massive fallout gitu, no, masih wajar. It depends on how you apply it actually. Kalau kalian, you have to dust it off first, then you'll be safe from fallout. But if you take it with a brush and then you directly apply it on your eyes, then there will be fallout. Because I tried it. And then this extra slice over here is actually very pretty because it got glitters in it. Ini tuh nggak shimmer. Ini tuh bener-bener purely matte. Tuh, you see? Oh my god, this is so pretty. Tuh bagus banget. As you guys can see, ini bener-bener matte tapi dia ada glitter, and the glitter is so pretty. Dia glitternya bukan yang big chunks of glitter, but ini glitternya yang bener-bener halus banget. If you guys are asking whether is this palette worth to buy, it depends on you. In my opinion, it's not a revolutionary palette. There's nothing new with it. There's nothing wow about it. It's just cute. But for the color scheme, for the shades of the palette, it's just another neutral kind of eyeshadow palette. So I bought it directly from the ColourPop Cosmetics website. I'm gonna put the link down in my description box. You can check it out there. And then for the palette itself, it cost $18, and then the shipping to Indonesia is $5. So the total amount is $23. That is, so yeah, I guess that's all about this ColourPop x Zoella Brunch Date palette. I hope you guys enjoy and like my video, and I hope this video is very helpful for all of you who's been wondering about this palette. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to please subscribe, click the red button right here, and then please like and also share to everyone and every social media you have. So I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Merci beaucoup, à bientôt et bonne journée.